Hey there, pilot in training? Or maybe I should say future ace. Ever heard of a jet that's as versatile as it is deadly? A fighter so advanced it can switch from bombing runs to dogfights faster than you can blink? That's the Dassault Rafale, France's pride and joy. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this bird one of the most feared and respected fighter jets on the planet. Buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll understand why the Rafale isn't just a plane, it's a masterpiece. Let's cut to the chase. The Rafale isn't your average fighter jet, it's a multirole marvel designed to do everything. Need air superiority? Check. Ground attack? Done. Reconnaissance? No problem. Nuclear deterrence? Yep, it does that too. In fact, the French call it an Omnirole aircraft because it truly excels at every mission thrown its way. Developed by Dassault Aviation in the late 20th century, the Rafale entered service in 2001 and has been turning heads ever since. Its sleek delta-wing design isn't just for show, it provides incredible lift and maneuverability, making it a nightmare to outfly in a dogfight. And with twin engines giving it raw power, the Rafale can accelerate like a rocket when things get intense. But don't let its elegance fool you. This jet is built for battle. From the deserts of Mali to the skies over Libya, the Rafale has proven itself time and again in real-world combat scenarios. Let's break down why it's such a beast. One thing you'll notice about the Rafale is how it strikes a perfect balance between stealth and agility. Unlike some fifth-generation fighters that prioritize invisibility above all else, the Rafale focuses on being hard to hit, not impossible to see. Its radar cross-section, RCS, is reduced through clever shaping and materials, but where it really shines is in its ability to dodge threats. With thrust vectoring nozzles and unmatched aerodynamics, the Rafale can perform jaw-dropping maneuvers that would leave lesser jets spinning helplessly. Picture this. You're locked in a dogfight, G-forces crushing you into your seat, and suddenly your opponent pulls a cobra maneuver, flipping their nose straight up while maintaining forward momentum. Yeah, the Rafale can do that, and more. If the Rafale were a video game character, it'd have maxed out stats across the board. Its RBE-2 AESA radar system doesn't just track targets, it paints a crystal clear picture of the battlefield, even in cluttered environments. Want to spot enemy jets hiding behind mountains? Done. Need to identify vehicles on the ground from miles away? Easy peasy. And then there's Spectra, the Rafale's electronic warfare suite. Think of it as the jet's personal bodyguard. Spectra detects incoming missiles, jams enemy radars, and even tricks adversaries into thinking you're somewhere you're not. It's like having a ninja shadowing you in midair, ready to neutralize any threat before it gets close. Now, let's talk firepower. The Rafale carries a lethal arsenal capable of taking out anything from tanks to warships. Its primary gun is the GIAT-30 791 autocannon, a 30mm monster that spits out rounds faster than you can count. But the real magic happens with its missile loadout. For air-to-air engagements, the Meteor missile reigns supreme. With a range of over 100 kilometers and an active radar seeker, the Meteor can chase down fleeing enemies with terrifying precision. Meanwhile, the SCALP cruise missile handles long-range strikes, sneaking past defenses to deliver devastating blows to high-value targets. Oh, and did I mention the ASMPA nuclear standoff missile? Yeah. If global deterrence is on the menu, the Rafale's got that covered too. Whether it's precision strikes or overwhelming force, this jet brings the boom. What really sets the Rafale apart is its combat record. This isn't some theoretical wonder jet. It's seen action in some of the toughest theaters on Earth. During Operation Serval in Mali, Rafales flew thousands of sorties, providing close air support and destroying insurgent strongholds with pinpoint accuracy. In Libya, they led NATO operations against Muammar Gaddafi's forces, proving their worth in both air-to-ground and air-to-air roles. Even more impressive, the Rafale's export success. Countries like India, Egypt, Greece, and Qatar have all chosen the Rafale as their frontline fighter. Why? Because it works. Period. Ask any pilot who's flown the Rafale, and they'll tell you it's pure joy. The cockpit is ergonomically designed, with hands-on throttle and stick controls that make managing weapons and systems intuitive. The fly-by-wire system ensures smooth handling, whether you're pulling tight turns or cruising at Mach 1.8. But beyond the tech, there's something special about flying a Rafale. It's not just a machine, it's an extension of the pilot. Every control input feels natural, every maneuver precise. Pilots describe it as feeling alive, responding instantly to commands and adapting seamlessly to changing conditions. So there you have it, the Rafale in all its glory. Sleek, smart, and downright unstoppable, this jet embodies everything that makes French engineering legendary. It's not just a tool of war, it's a symbol of independence, innovation, and excellence. Whether you're dreaming of climbing into the cockpit yourself, or simply admiring the artistry of modern aviation, the Rafale deserves your respect. It's proof that sometimes the best solutions come from thinking outside the box and doing things your own way. Now go ahead. Imagine yourself soaring through the skies in a Rafale, leaving trails of awe and maybe a little fear in your wake. After all, legends aren't born, they're flown.